Guys, it's the way she's going to install the hair extensions into onto the customer's hair. She's using expressions, by the way. So this is Box Braids, and she's actually doing a peekaboo. So she's got like a teal sort of turquoise blue at the back, the first 3 rows, and then she's gonna top it up with color 1B, just a normal black. Yeah, so there you go. Now, depending on the hairdressers, the different hairdressers who use different method, like they divide the hair extensions into and roll it on top of each other, but she just plait it like that to the scalp. I guess it's to avoid too much of the bumpy, yeah, towards the scalp. So let's watch her fingers. Nice nails, by the way. So there you go. I guess this is very painless because otherwise the the customer would have said something. And this look more like mid back length, so it's long but not ridiculously long in length. There you go. And she's doing it. It's nice. Oh, watch the fingers. Watch the fingers moving. Oh wow. Okay, she's checking for accuracy. Wow. What a hairdresser. Oh wow, okay, she's knotting the ends. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that, guys. That's pretty. That's very pretty. Wow.